Hello, guys, welcome to my page. Today, I want to show you how you can create posters online, how you can create posters or flyers for an event. You can also do it for others, and then you collect little tips from it. Now, if you don't have a laptop, it's not a problem. You can actually use your laptop, your smartphone, your Android phone to create posters and flyers, and you can actually print them out. You can print them out after creating your design. You can print them out into hard copies. So you can do that for people for just some money, especially at this time. It's good to have multiple source of income. So let's go straight to it. You have your Play Store, open your Play Store, then you type in Adobe Express. Okay, Adobe Express, see there, I've already installed it in my phone. So for the first time, you just download it. Alright, after downloading, a prompt will appear on your screen asking you to sign in. Alright, so you just go ahead to sign in. After signing in, you see another prompt on the screen asking you if you just want to start from scratch. You see posters, you see flyers, anything you want to design. So let's go straight. Let me open mine because I've already downloaded it to my phone. So here we are. If you tap on, because Adobe Express will ask you if you already have idea of creating content, creating flyers, videos, and all. If you already have idea or you want to just start as a beginner, okay, you can just say start from scratch, especially if you are doing it for the first time. Okay, they will really guide you. They give you templates you can use. Now, to create your flyer or your poster, they have so many templates. You just scroll through to see which one exactly fits in. Alright, now I like this all-star viewing party. Let's say you are organizing an event, okay, and then you need a flyer or a poster for it. And just tap on it. See, all-star viewing party. Now this poster, you can edit it. You just tap on remix this template. Okay, and then if you want to change the letters here, like this all-star viewing party, into anything you want, okay, let's just say evening night out or anything at all you want to write there, you can just tap on it on the all-star viewing party. Then you see edit, delete, duplicate, copy, anyhow you want to do it, anyhow you want to do this one that is already highlighted, or whatever you want to write there, you are free. So you tap on edit, okay, and here you are free to write anything else you want. Let's just say night out with friends. Okay, night out with friends. Okay, see, that's changed. But if you want to duplicate it into another part of the flyer or the poster, you're very free to do that. Okay, also if you want to change the font, you want to change the write up the words, you can edit it as well to whatever one you want. There are different font styles. Okay, anyhow you want it. You want it dark, you just tap on the one you want. So these things are easy. You can actually do these designs for people and then collect money from it. In my next video, I will teach you how to do animation videos. So please follow my page, my channel, follow, subscribe, so that you get a quick notification when I upload a video. So you type in whatever thing you want. If you even want to change the color of this blue color, this write up, you want to change the color, you are free. Okay, color of the text, but this one is fine. Then the design itself, anything you want to edit, just tap on it, it will be highlighted. Okay, now the design, if you want to change the design, that blue design down there at the background, you can also do that. Yeah, you have different colors. You have green, whatever color you want. You are free to make your choice. Okay, so these things are just simple. Now we also have the picture, the animated picture there, of that cartoon-like picture. If you want to change that picture to any other color, you are free. If you also want to input your own picture, the picture you have in your phone, okay, you can still do that too. From the edits, then you see replace, it will take you to search photos. So you can now search photos from your gallery, then you input any picture you want to put there. Alright, so anyhow you want to adjust these things, you are free. You want to change this July 10th, let's say you want to change it to July 29, you just tap on it. Anything you want to change, just highlight it. You can also change the position depending on how you want it. Okay, when you are creating these flyers or posters for anybody, they will tell you the specification of the kind of thing they would like, so you use that idea to create your design. Okay, then you change it. You want to change that 10th, you can change it to 29th. Okay, and you change it, same as the down. If you want to put more details like your name and your email, the address of the location and all, you can also do the same thing here. Then if you want this design too to be in form of like an animation, so you just tap on this animation. Here we are. You tap on the poster itself. Then you see animation at the top right. Tap on animation. So anyhow you want it to appear, okay, you can see is in animation formats. If this is how you want it, you just keep tapping to any one at all you want. So these things are very, very simple to do. Well, mostly this animation is online. You can actually share that they can see the effects of it. It can be hard copy. Okay, so in my next video I'll show you how to create animation videos. You can use animation videos to create content on your social media pages. You can use animation video to advertise products for people, for companies at a price. Okay, and then you can use animation videos for so many other things, even for your own personal business. Okay, and so many other things. So please subscribe to my channel. I have more videos to upload. Bye bye.